Alright, kiddies. Got a couple of TERRIFIER hangers. Now these are blinds, of course. You got several arts. Got a pale girl, and you've got a sienna. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's in a bubble wrap, so maybe it's Ragile. Oh, which one do we get? It's an art of some kind. Alright. So we got this art here. He's fuzzy. Alright, second box. Kind of hoping for the sienna. But we'll see what we got. Get in here, knock it upside down, and let it fall. It's coming down. Let's see, it's an art. Yep. And it's a duplicate. God damn it. You have 8 of these things, and of course, I get a double. Yeah, I don't know about these. But, yep, also got them at Frank & Sons.